1. Which of the following types of telescopes uses mirrors to collect light? A. Refracting telescope. B. Reflecting telescope. C. Radio telescope. D. Spectrometer. 2. What is the primary source of energy in the Sun? A. Chemical reactions. B. Fission of hydrogen. C. Nuclear fusion of hydrogen into helium. D. Radioactive decay. 3. Which planet has the most extensive ring system? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Neptune. 4. The Hubble Space Telescope primarily observes in which wavelength? A. Radio. B. X-ray. C. Infrared. D. Visible. 5. What is the approximate age of the universe according to current models? A. 4.5 billion years. B. 9.2 billion years. C. 13.8 billion years. D. 15.6 billion years. 6. Which law relates the luminosity of a star to its temperature and radius? A. Kepler's third law. B. Stefan-Boltzmann law. C. Wien's law. D. Planck's law. 7. The shift in spectral lines due to motion away from the observer is called A. Redshift. B. Blue shift. C. Doppler collapse. D. Spectral expansion. 8. Which type of galaxy is characterized by a smooth, featureless light profile and older stellar populations? A. Spiral. B. Irregular. C. Elliptical. D. Barred spiral. 9. What is a primary goal of the Astronomical Society of the Pacific ASP? A. Building spacecraft. B. Promoting the privatization of space. C. Advancing astronomy education and public outreach. D. Monitoring satellites. 10. Which stellar remnant is composed almost entirely of neutrons? A. White dwarf. B. Neutron star. C. Red giant. D. Brown dwarf. 11. What does a Hertzsprung-Russell HR diagram plot? A. Size versus age. B. Temperature versus luminosity. C. Distance versus brightness. D. Mass versus temperature. 12. What is a light year a measure of? A. Time. B. Speed. C. Distance. D. Brightness. 13. Which of the following best describes a black hole? A. A collapsed white dwarf. B. A region from which not even light can escape. C. A burning cloud of gas. D. A failed star. 14. What causes the phases of the Moon? A. Earth's shadow. B. Lunar rotation. C. Changes in distance from Earth. D. Changing positions of the Moon relative to Earth and Sun. 15. The Milky Way is best classified as which type of galaxy? A. Irregular. B. Elliptical. C. Spiral. D. Ring. 16. What is dark matter believed to do in galaxies? A. Emit X-rays. B. Block starlight. C. Provide mass that influences gravitational behavior. D. Reflect light. 17. The term exoplanet refers to a planet. A. Inside the asteroid belt. B. Orbiting a black hole. C. Orbiting a star outside our solar system. D. Inside our sun's corona. 18. Parallax is used to measure A. Temperature of stars. B. Mass of galaxies. C. Distance to nearby stars. D. Age of the universe. 19. A supernova can result in the formation of which of the following? A. Asteroid belt. B. Comet. C. White dwarf. D. Neutron star. 20. What spectral type corresponds to the hottest stars? A. M. B. K. C. G. D. O. 21. The cosmic microwave background radiation is evidence for A. Dark matter. B. Stellar fusion. C. The Big Bang. D. Gravitational waves. 22. A solar eclipse occurs when A. The moon moves behind Earth. B. The sun passes in front of the moon. C. The moon passes between Earth and the sun. D. Earth passes between the moon and the sun. 23. Which space observatory specializes in X-ray astronomy? A. Hubble. B. James Webb. C. Chandra. D. Kepler. 24. In astronomy, what is magnitude a measure of? A. Size. B. Distance. C. Brightness. D. Velocity. 25. The term main sequence refers to A. All stars with planets. B. Stars that are in the prime of their hydrogen-burning lives. C. Collapsing protostars. D. Only white dwarfs. Astronomical Society of the Pacific Exam. The Astronomical Society of the Pacific ASP exam test is an academic and professional assessment designed to evaluate knowledge and understanding of key concepts in astronomy and space science. It covers a broad range of topics, including celestial mechanics, cosmology, stellar evolution, planetary science, and observational techniques. The test is often used by educators, students, and science communicators to validate proficiency in astronomical principles and public outreach strategies. Developed to align with the ASP's mission of advancing science literacy through astronomy, the exam also emphasizes critical thinking and the ability to communicate complex ideas effectively. It is suitable for those pursuing careers in science education, outreach, or amateur astronomy. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Science education credentialing. The ASP exam serves as a validation tool for teachers, educators, and outreach professionals, ensuring a strong foundation in astronomy and space science concepts. 2. Professional development. It provides a recognized benchmark for individuals seeking to advance in careers related to astronomy education, public engagement, or informal science learning. 3. Curriculum assessment. Institutions and academic programs use the test to measure the effectiveness of astronomy instruction and to identify areas needing improvement or enrichment. 4. Outreach and public engagement readiness. The exam equips communicators and volunteers with verified knowledge, boosting credibility in public science programs. 5. Amateur astronomy certification. It acts as a formal recognition of knowledge for amateur astronomers seeking to deepen their involvement in scientific outreach and education.